You guys, I got my hair done today and I paid $275 to get it cut, dyed, and styled. And I just want to get my hair done for my birthday, have someone else do it for me. But if this is how I'm gonna walk out, I could have done it myself. I could have dyed my own hair. They saved me $100. So, do you guys think this is worth $275? And I tipped $25. This is literally the part that he did when he styled my hair. I swear on everything.
Let's pause right there because this situation isn't about the hair being completely terrible. It's about the overall service experience not matching the price or professionalism expected. In this case, the client paid $275 for a cut, color, and style, plus an additional tip. After leaving the salon, she noticed several issues. Hair dye was still left on her skin, ears, and hairline. The parting of the hair was uneven and not clean. The final style did not fully match what she asked for, and overall, the finishing details were incomplete. Now, here's the key moment. The client said she did not fully check her hair before leaving the salon. So she paid, tipped, and left, only to realize afterward that the service wasn't finished to a professional standard. And that's where the frustration really comes in. Because when someone is paying close to $300 for a service, especially for something like a birthday, they're not just paying for the hair. They're paying for the experience, the attention to detail, and the final polished result. And in this situation, the issue wasn't just the style, it was the lack of finishing care. Now let's talk about what should have been done correctly as a professional hairstylist. First, clean finish is non-negotiable. Anytime you do a color service, the client's skin should be completely clean. No dye should be left on the face, ears, or hairline. That final cleanup is part of the service, not optional. Attention to detail matters. Details like clean parting, even layers, smooth styling. These are what separate an average service from a professional one. Clients may not always know how to explain it, but they feel it when it's off. Third, mirror check before payment. Before a client pays, the stylist should always turn the chair, show all angles, ask, "Is there anything you'd like me to adjust?" That gives the client a chance to speak up in the moment, not after they leave. Fourth, client responsibility too. And clients, this part is important. Before you pay and leave, look at your hair fully. Check the part, edges, and finish. Speak up if something is off, because once you walk out, it becomes harder to correct. Fifth, price must match experience. When you're charging premium prices, the service must include quality, detail, and a polished finish. Because clients remember how they felt leaving the chair, not just how the hair looked. If this breakdown helped you understand salon professionalism better, make sure you like and subscribe for more real salon education. And follow stylistfactory.as.me as we produce the century's best hairstyles.